Buddha Bhanu Saraswati College, Shillong illuminated the academic calendar with joy and fervour as it celebrated the annual day on Saturday at Babu Mani Singh Gurung Auditorium. The event showcased a vibrant mix of academic recognition and cultural extravaganza. Meritorious students were honoured for their outstanding achievements in both academic and co-curricular activities, underscoring the college's commitment to excellence. Adding a musical charm to the festivities, the renowned live band Distant Dream Project took the stage, captivating the audience with their performance. The auditorium resonated with applause as the band melodies filled the air. The official program and felicitation ceremony were graced by the president of the governing body of the college, D.B. Gurung. Buddha Bhanu Saraswati College's annual day 2023 was a testament to the institution's dedication to recognizing and celebrating the multifaceted talents of its students.